Hello everyone, my name is Raphael from grade 7 Siargao FEU under teacher Mariflor, and today we're going to be cooking a very easy and simple dish, pancakes, loved by everyone. So let's get started. Now before we start, we have to wash our hands properly so that germs won't go to our food. Now just open the tap, scrub our hands a little bit, so it's filled with water, close it, and then we're gonna put soap. Now we're gonna rub it in the bottom of our hands, both, make sure they're rubbed properly. Then on the top, same thing. And then in between our fingers, on both sides. Then we're gonna repeat this process for a while, until we have some bubbles, and then we're just going to rinse them all out. Make sure that you rinse them properly so that any soap won't go to our food. Then we're gonna dry them like this so that water doesn't spill everywhere. And then take some tissue and rub it across your hands in all the directions. Okay, now that we're done washing our hands, let's actually begin making our food. The hazards that we have are germs and bacteria coming from unclean hands and utensils going to our food. Another thing is egg cells, because depending on how hard you hit the egg, there's a possibility that the egg cells will go to our food. Now, the CCP is by cleaning our utensils and our hands thoroughly. And for the other, when you crack an egg, make sure it's gentle but not too gentle, so maybe it won't break, but enough so that the egg cells won't fly everywhere. Now, in case something goes wrong, let's say one of our ingredients falls down the floor, we clean that up, throw it away if it's like an egg, and then wash our hands again for safety. Another thing is that, let's say our pancakes are over or undercooked. Okay, undercooked. Well, let's just continue cooking. If it's overcooked, then we'll just try again. Now, our ingredients that we're gonna use are, of course, pancake mix, syrup for later, milk, eggs, oil, and butter. We're using a mixing bowl, measuring cup, a spoon, and a fork. The reason I don't have a whisk or a mechanical whisk is because I'm just new here to the US, so we haven't really bought that yet. So yeah, let's start cooking. So first we're gonna put the pancake mix 1 whole cup. Careful so that we don't spill. Just to check. Okay, that's 1 cup. So we just pour that here. Okay, so the next thing that we're going to put is 2/3 of milk. There, 2/3. I'm gonna put that there. And finally, now 2 tablespoons of oil. That's 1, then 2. Okay. And 1 egg. Like I said, be careful of this. Careful. Alright, before we continue, let's just wash our hands. then we mix away. Now we mix until we're all totally mixed together. Now it's ready for the pan. Now it's time to cook. So I already heated the stove in low heat. So we're just gonna get one piece of butter and put it down the middle and let it spread. You can circle it around a little so it's faster. Okay, so after moving a little, now we just get one big scoop and put it in the middle. There we go. The back here, let's move it a little so it's a circle. And then we just wait. If you see bubbles on the top, that's when it's time for you to flip it. So we just wait. Now as you can see, there are some bubbles, so that's the time that we can flip it. Now just remember all sides. Boom. Okay. So now this is done cooking. We're just gonna take it and put it in our plate. Now we're ready to cook the others. Now we're done with our food. The importance of ACCP is so that we can all ensure some healthy food. There are specific rules and guidelines that we all have to follow so that it will ensure the safety of the people eating the food as well as the safety of the people who's making the food. Now with that said, this looks amazing. So I'm just gonna have some maple syrup, pour some like this. Okay, enough and taste. That tastes great. Maybe just a little more maple syrup. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. Bye.